What is up? What is up, guys? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Damn, my bad. I'm trying to do a couple more things on my phone. What's up? What's up? What's up? I want to post that I am live right now. So give me 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, never mind. That is not my live stream. Hey, what's up? Laughing helps. Hey, what's up, Gigi? Oh, Gigi, I was gonna say, did it end up working to get back inside of the Discord? Because I tried to see if you were banned or kicked or like whatever it's called, and I didn't see anything with your name on it. So I don't know if maybe you would need to rejoin or something, but normally even if they kicked you and then they like unkicked you, it still should have popped up in the like inside of this I forgot what it's called, the something logs, the track logs, and it didn't pop up that you were kicked. So I don't know how you got sent out. I gotta sit here and upload that I'm live. Give me 1 second. So definitely let me know how the Discord thing is working. I think you might have said that you deleted your Discord or you don't really use Discord. So if you deleted it, then it's fine. But I did check and it did not show that you got kicked. So live right now. My bad, trying to get this to be up. Got it on my story. And then probably put it in the Discord as well. So there we go. Also, I'm trying to see if I can like incorporate. Let me see if I could talk like if ChatGPT can give me an idea. So real quick, because I'm gonna be streaming from 12 to 1 p.m., right? So I wanted to see if maybe there was ways where I could throw in like little segments, but if anything, I'm probably gonna have to do it for next stream. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do it for next stream because there would be too much that I would have to type right now the ideas that I'm thinking, like, little building challenges. I probably would want to do, damn it, I can't even remember anymore. Oh, like a Q&A probably halfway through or something just to keep people like interested. But honestly, I'm probably gonna have to do it all next time. But ultimately today, y'all, my goal, hey, what's up? What is up? No excuses. So today, my goal, right, is the same thing, trying to get my certification. But the deeper goal to it, because I do want these streams to be a little bit more interesting, oh wait, actually, I'm not going to do this one. I was like, what the hell? We are currently making this music player and we are on step 50 and there is 99 steps. So hopefully for today, in an hour, we can hopefully get all the way to step 99 and we can finish this damn music player. So that's really going to be one of the goals that we're going to be trying to achieve. And then just remember that next stream is probably going to be a lot better because for next stream, like I said, I'm going to end up doing like little segments throughout the stream, but I'm going to try and figure it out a little bit today. But it's going to be simply like just super cool when we finally end up getting in there. So let's go and just jump to what we're doing. So let's go to the live screen. We are here at step 50. We got it to get to 99, hopefully by the end of today. And then what's going to be pretty cool is eventually we're going to hop into this certification project, but I still have to finish this one. I was doing the rock, paper, scissors game like off screen, and then eventually it got a little bit more easier, so probably take y'all through that as well. But later, we're going to jump into step 51. Let's try and hurry up and solve all these questions we can. What is up, Mr. Mickey Mouse? Definitely going to try and solve as much as we can right now. I got to stop wasting time, though, because like 5 minutes is already gone. Let's go. Got my pen out. Okay, what the hell are we on? Step 48? Flip the page. Now let's go. To get the index of the current song, you could use the index of method. Okay. Damn, you know what? I just realized because they are going to be teaching me a lot, is it going to be possible for me to get to step 99 today? It better be, because that's literally my main goal right now. Get to step 99, especially too because I feel like I'm getting better with my JavaScript. That part of me is like, I feel like I'm at that point where I can kind of just run through some of these. So then, of course, if I get it, but the index array method returns the first index at which a given element can be found in the array or -1 if the element is not present. Okay, so this returns the first index or -1 if elements is not present. Okay, let's solve this. So I just see some locks next to the topics icon. So it bothers me. Oh, I don't think that's you getting kicked out. I don't, honestly, I don't know why the people in my Discord do that. Because I do have like a couple people on it. But I think what it's doing is like you need to, I don't know. It's like this weird permission lock that they put on, but I think it's because you might need to do something to unlock it. I'm not sure. But I always unlock in general because they always try to lock the general and then I just unlock it. So if anything, you could get inside of the chat where everyone is at, but nobody's really in any of the other chats, like sometimes here and there, unless you want to get in there, then I'll probably ask them like, if it's locked, how the hell do people get in? Because a lot of people end up getting in. So I'm not even sure. But it says const current song index equals, okay, so now we gotta do, inside your get current song index function, return user data. We gotta return user data, copy, paste. So for the index argument, set it to user data current song. So of course it's probably gonna be things where I think I'm probably going to figure out when I make my own stuff, right? Because like eventually, like I feel like this stuff I probably would never really understand unless I try to remake a music player, which I'm just not gonna do. Because I don't think I'm ever gonna really want to add audio. I mean, maybe adding audio wouldn't be bad. Like imagine adding like a nice little audio like inside of a website and it sounds like a waiting room kind of. That probably wouldn't be bad, but not, you obviously can't do regular music. You would have to do, I think you can get copyrighted, so you would have to do just sounds. Says try going to the welcome page and choose which role you are, like student, JavaScript, CSS, stuff like that. Oh, okay, because I was wondering, because I'm like, I see the lock too, so I normally would unlock it when it came to general, because I feel like general, to me, feels like it shouldn't be locked, because it's like, it's just regular conversation. But maybe that's why. It's probably because they want you to pick a role. Because anyway, the Discord looks like a useless candy jar. No, yeah, I was gonna say, I personally still don't know how like Discord is supposed to be ran. So I just like honestly gave it to like, or not gave it, but I let somebody else kind of do it. But so for me, I feel like I probably wouldn't use it myself. But I feel like I like the fact that there are some people there that, you know, they seem to like it. So it's like, damn, I think I forgot how to write this. Because it's supposed to, unless it's supposed to be this. Oh my god, I think I forgot how to write an arrow function, bro. Is that what they're asking me to write? An empty arrow function? Yeah. Hold on. Did I honestly forget how to write an arrow function? Oh no, I think I did it. But, oh, equals. How could I forget? Okay, I'm like, did I really forget how to write an empty arrow function? Let's keep this pushing. If you guys are new here, man, the more steps that we solve, the closer we get to my certification. But a little smaller goal is to try and get to step 99. So inside the play next song function, create an if statement to check if the current song or user data is equal to null. So now we're gonna go if statement, to check if the current song of user data. So the current song of user data, so what do I do? Do I do the user data current song method? I think we've been doing that up there. So right here, user data current, oh no, that's current time. But maybe that's what I need to do. So let me switch this up and I probably would have to do current song method. There's just so many things that are very similar that I don't think they should have made so similar because like I'm getting confused sometimes on what exactly they want me to do. So this will check if there's no song playing. So if the condition is true, call the play function. Wait a second. Okay, so if the condition is true, call the play song function with the ID of the first song in the user. What the hell? Okay, so call the play song function. Let's just go slow. Because all of these are just so similar. So call the play song function and then put this as the argument, I guess. That's what that's saying. So dot current song. Bro, I had a feeling it was gonna need the question mark. But it's like some of them have question marks, some of them don't. Oh, I should have remembered array. And I forgot the ID. Shaking my head. But it's because I'm clearly rushing. Because I'm here, I got out early to see stream. Hey, that's what's up, man. That is what's up. Since people do use it, but like most Discord servers, they start off small and then gradually upgrade. No, yeah, facts. Facts. I like to pop in there every time there's like a new user, and then I'll start messaging. But I feel like sometimes, other than that, it does feel like it's like a lot of messaging at once that it's kind of hard for me to know when to type and when to fit in. Like, I don't know. I feel like Discord has always been difficult for me like that though. But I do think it's nice for the people that do enjoy it and they know how to message like a bunch of people at the same time. It's definitely great. So call the get current song index function. So we're going to do that and assign it to a constant named current song index. So I'm doing const, and then we're going to call this current song index, and then equals is basically what that is saying to do, I think. Okay, there we go. We got that part. Oh, and then there's just gonna, I eventually, like I said, I think I've said this before as well, is I'm going to be making like a choice-driven game for my JavaScript. The only thing is that I'm just so iffy on, should I try to get my certification or should I build that project? But honestly, I think I could do both. Like if I make the plans of what I want the project to look like, I think I could definitely do both of them and do 30 minutes maybe of free code camp, or like 20 minutes of free code camp, and then end up hopping into my project or something like that to freshen myself up, to at least get some steps further. So create a constant named next song and assign it this. So we got this const, and then we gotta go next song. And we're gonna equal, and it's going to be assigned the user data dot songs with the current index +1. And it's saying for that, it says if you need to retrieve the next song in the playlist. So I'm assuming then from there, is it always +1, or can you do +2, +3 to get like different songs? Wonder how that would work. Oh, did it say ID? Play songs functions pass to the next song ID. Okay, fine. They said it at the end, but I don't know how to freaking read. Oh wait, no, not even. This isn't even where they want me to do it. Because you should assign user data to next song. Okay, hold on. Lastly, oh, call the play song function. Okay, my bad. So we gotta go play song function, and then we have to pass through next song .id. I kind of want to understand .id a little bit more, because I know it's saying that it's retrieving the data, but like I thought it was retrieving the data anyway. You know what I mean? So exactly what is .id doing? If anyone knows that answer in the chat, what does .id do? Give me a clear definition of .id. Hey, what's up? It says get the plan laid out, and then the project could be something you work on during stream. No, yeah, that's definitely what I'm thinking about, because I'm thinking like of doing different segments, like something that's fun. Literally, I'm probably going to do my first giveaway like next month. Like I can't wait to finally get into a bunch of different things. If you guys are new here, man, the more steps that I solve, the closer I get to my certification. Been documenting my journey for 4 months, so definitely hit that subscribe button. So add an event listener, and the short-term goal here is to try to get to step 99. Listen to the next button element, then pass play song as the second argument. This is the function that event listener that will run. So then we gotta do a next button element dot add event listener, if I can spell listener. Open that up, and then our first argument is going to be click. And then the second one is going to be this as the second argument. I believe when you write functions in here, you don't have to do the parentheses. We should be good. Okay, that's good. We got that. 57% complete. Hello. Hey, what's up, Siri? What is up? What is up? If y'all are new here, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Come join me on this journey. I go live every single day, 12 p.m. EST, and I post YouTube videos every other day. Use const and arrow syntax to create an empty play previous song. So we got const play previous song. And then we can do the equals. Yep, because now we remember how to do the arrow. This is great. This is great. I actually kind of really like writing it like this. But I wonder why is it so, like, because in my head, and maybe if someone can answer this too. So I got 2 questions. No excuses. If you're listening or if anyone knows the answer, definitely answer it. Why would you use .id as number 1? And then why would you do a play arrow function, basically? Or you'll do an arrow syntax? If, to me, it doesn't seem like it's any smaller than a function syntax. So I'm just kind of wondering exactly, what this would be. You know what I mean? I feel like that, or why you use it. Why, like, it doesn't seem quicker to me. Like, what is the difference? So it says, while in the play previous song function, add an if statement with a condition of this. Okay, oh, they're just giving me the condition. They're like, honestly, we're not gonna let you figure this one out. Do it the way I'm telling you. Oh, damn, I didn't even copy and paste it. They are so crazy for that. All right, paste that. This will check if there is currently no song playing and if there isn't any. So exit the function and use return. Okay, so we got this, return. Oh wait, oh my goodness. I just have to keep reading. That's literally my issue. Sup. It says, do you ever go to Mozilla Nuts, Firefox? Mozilla gives you syntax explanations. I actually I think I go to MDM Docs, but the reason why I was asking chat was just, of course, to get like chat input. I could look it up if I really want to, but I think it would be super dope to just let chat answer, interact with me a little bit throughout the stream. But it says create a constant named current song. So we're gonna have to go const current song index, and then assign it to get current song into, oh, okay. My thing is, right now, if this is a function, right, get current song index, there's no way I already created this as a function. So if they end up making me eventually, like, write that down and then eventually create it as a function, that's the type of stuff that bothers me. I mean, it might be here and I'm moving fast. That's the type of stuff that bothers me, because if they're like, okay, now let's create this function and write out everything that needs to be inside of it, it's like, then don't make me recommend it if we never wrote the function yet. But we probably did, I'm not sure. It says, I know with using arrow functions it's longer but easier when needing to add or edit. Oh, so then that's probably it. So it says, to get the previous song, subtract 1 from the current song index of the user data. Oof, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot. Oh wait, no, they probably literally mean just subtract 1. Wait, actually no. Because to get the previous song, subtract 1 from the current song of the user data? Why are they saying it like that? So am I supposed to... They're saying that in such a weird way. So I'm assuming they probably mean like this. And assign it the... Oh yes, okay, assign it the constant. If I just kept reading, I would have figured it out. I don't know why I've done this too many times already. So I'm doing current song equals. And then I think, what was it? I think I'm doing user data songs. And I'm pretty sure, I mean, I could be completely wrong here, but I think they want me to put it in an array. And then when I put it in this array, -1 is what they're saying. After that, call the play song function. So we're going play song function, and then we have to pass the previous song .id inside. Okay, that makes sense. This is the ID one stumps me too, but maybe something to do with easily calling data from your code, like each one of your songs would have a specific ID. That's what I'm like, that's what I was saying, because I'm like, I wonder specifically, like, I feel like if I could kind of understand a little bit of what's going on, but because like I'm doing something that I feel like I'm not really interested in, like doing the music and stuff, it's like throwing me off to understand some of these stuff. But like, if we use the same code for something that was a little bit more interesting to me, I feel like I would probably understand it. That's the one thing that I feel like I can't stand about myself, is like, if I'm not interested in it, it could literally be something that I need to know, right? But because I'm not interested in the way they're teaching it, I can't understand it. I wonder if I'm the only one that's like that. Oops. Because like, in school, like for instance, I'm a big reader, right? I'm a big reader. I could do great with trying to like comprehend, I mean, what am I doing right now? I'm trying to do an add event listener. Okay, because I'm like, what the hell am I writing? But I feel like I'm really good at comprehending, like reading a book. But if you give me a book that I'm really not messing with, but even though it could help with my vocabulary or something, like it's gonna be very helpful, I just wouldn't be able to read the book. I must have messed this up. Play a previous song. Add the click event listener to the previous song element. Oh, to the previous button. Oops. Embarrassing. To the previous button element. So we gotta change that. Paste. It says, You're the GOAT, Marzi. Hey, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. It says, just knowledge is death better than... No, I know, than back then, man. That's why I can't wait to just start building my new project or doing, like, the mini challenges of, like, trying to get myself... Like, I feel like I'm finally at the point where I could do what they're saying. I could really... Like, my logic is a little bit better on its own. But now I really think I'm at the point where I gotta build. And from now to, like, the middle of September, I'm, like... When I get my schedule a little bit better, so I can plan out these streams a little bit more... I'm going to literally build from like now all the way till September. So it's probably going to be not this Monday. I think I want to plan Monday, Tuesday. So it's going to be this Wednesday or next Wednesday, my bad. Oh no, we're in Sunday. So this Wednesday where I think it's just going to be project. Maybe some of these questions, but I'm going to just keep building, man. It says, your message really helped yesterday in the comment. I mean, oh, okay. That's dope. Thank you so much, man. I honestly, that's amazing because I love to leave comments. I love to, message people and hopefully say some things that would sound and, be helpful towards them. It says, think of it as you would use ID in your code for other things. Oh, okay. So, maybe that is what that's doing. I mean, well, not maybe. You're probably, like, straight up correct. But y'all, we were at 277. Oh, I don't know why it says I'm at 1,300 already. What the heck? Hold on, I gotta switch that. My bad, y'all. I think that my sub goal was supposed to be 1,300. So it's supposed to be sub goal, and I think 1,300 is gonna be my goal, but we're starting at 1,277. So make sure if you're new here, man, hit that subscribe button. 2026. Oh wait, what am I doing? Hit that subscribe button because that would be super dope for me to eventually hit my true goal. That would be amazing. Let's keep this pushing. If you check closely, you'd see the currently played song is not highlighted in the playlist, so you don't really know which song is playing. Oh, so you can fix this by creating that function to highlight any song. That's nice. So let's go const highlight. Oh, and that probably would be another question too. Like, I'm probably gonna write a lot of these questions down like on paper as well, but of course I'm gonna be doing this for some fan interaction or supporter interaction. But I was gonna say that's another question that I have too, where it's like, oh no, I think I forgot what I was gonna say. Damn, I did so much talking, I done forgot what the hell I was gonna say. Damn, no, how could I forget? It was something about this arrow function. Again, but not the same thing. It was a little bit different. I forgot what I was gonna say. I guess I'll figure it out later. So use query selector all to get the playlist song element and assign it to that. So we gotta go. Oh, wait a second. Oh no, they do want me to do an arrow function. So inside the function. Oh, I was gonna say, is there ever a point where you shouldn't use the arrow function? Or is it like you can just use it like how you would do a regular function? There we go. I got the question. So use query.selector all to get the playlist song element and assign it to this constant. Oh, why do they always write it backwards? Because I'm like, okay, so what is my variable? How am I going to... Wait, not even. I'm still a little bit lost. Oh, wait, no. Okay, I was like, what's going on? So document.query selector all. And you close that out. It might be in quotes. I'm not too positive if it's supposed to be in quotes or not, so I guess we'll see. Oh, I'm like, I clicked it, but it didn't go through. I'm like, I'm pretty positive that should have went through. If you're new here, man, hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,280, so we just need 3 people to hit that sub button. Hey, hit that button, man. That'll be super dope. If you're new here, you're liking the stream so far, I go live every single day, 12 p.m. EST, and I post YouTube videos every other day. I have a web design series. I'm going to be getting into computer science, and I have a little bit of a video that might come out later tonight about my next steps, or tomorrow, one or the other, about my next steps. It's going to be super cool, man, so definitely make sure you tune in, you hit that subscribe button, come join me on this journey. Says, yo, Marzi, you got any spoilers for projects you have any idea yet? The only spoiler I got is I'm going to do a choice-driven game. I just don't know what the game's going to be about. I don't know if I'm going to have, like not levels, but, if I'm going to have, like, a health bar, right? Is it going to be a fighting game, or is it going to be a love game? Should I do a romance bar? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Hi from Argentina. Hey, what's up? Not gonna lie, it's a lot when it comes to when not to use an arrow function. Oh, okay. Okay, so maybe I'll have to really like do some deep dive into that. So for this, you can use this. So you need to get the ID of the current song playing. So yeah, you're right. So the dot ID is literally just getting the ID. So use the get element ID to get the ID of the current playing song. Well, not in that way, but you know what I mean. Then use template literals to fix it with song minus and assign it the constant. Oh, y'all, I'm not gonna even cap. The way this is already sounding, I'm probably going to mess this part up. Probably gonna mess this part up, but that's okay. So they want me to assign it document dot get. Actually, we are devs. We like to copy and paste. So get this by ID, and to get the ID of the current song playing, then wait. So to get put this in here then. Am I putting this in here to get the ID of the current song playing? Then use template literals to fix it with song minus. What? Oh, wait, no. Oh, shoot. This is starting to come together for a second. Okay, so this is the template literal. Well, it's going to be the backticks, but. So they want me to do this around this. Wait a second, what am I doing wrong? Wait, how the hell did I get out here? Like, what? That just utterly, that irked me. Alright, so where am I going wrong? They want me to do this, and then we need to do a song minus, and then we need to hit them with the backticks. Oh wait, do I do the backticks here? We're doing something wrong. We're doing something wrong because we need to hit them with the backticks. That needs to close out current song question mark, user data question mark, $, song minus. I'm not even gonna cap. I wrote this. I deadass wrote this, but you know what? If I didn't, then I didn't. That's what they're saying. They're saying I didn't. So let me go here. Oh, wait a second. Okay, let me go here. Copy and paste. See if there's a difference. Oh, there was a difference. What the hell did I do that was different? I think I put a question mark or something. Oh, that still ain't going through. So, get... Oh, because... Wait, hold on. Assign it to the song to highlight. Wait, no, that's not even the problem. Oh, ID. That is crazy. It says it's one of those things where you know when to use it, if that makes sense. Okay. So that's how I was, to be honest. There was a JS course on Udemy for like $13 that taught JS using projects, and it was a lot more enjoyable. No, yeah, definitely. But I gotta get to the point where I end up just building like crazy on stream. I think that's gonna be amazing. Hey, we're at 1,278. We got 1 subscriber. Thank you so much, man. Truly for hitting that subscribe button. Can we get 2 more? At least push this to 1,280. That'd be amazing. So loop through play song elements with a for each method. The for each method is used to loop through an array and perform a function on each element of the array. For example, suppose you have an array numbers and you want to log each number to the console. Use the for each method on the playlist song's elements. Pass in song L. Just kidding. Says it dumb hard, L, as the parameter, and use arrow syntax to add in an empty callback. We got this. They gave us the prime example is right here. Just fill in the blanks, pretty much. I don't know why they gave us such an example. I mean, I'm kind of happy. I honestly would have flipped. I mean, honestly, I don't think I would have. I think I would have scrolled up and seen that I did it somewhere else. And cause, you know, if I was building this whole thing like from scratch, from like, you know, the start to the end, I think I would remember. But because I split up the days, I get kind of lost because I don't really know what the hell I did the day before. And then also, I'm just not interested in this. Like, I hate the fact that they're making me do something like this. Alright, let me close this out. So now we gotta do pass in song L. Honestly, I think I messed this up the other day. And I can already feel I'm on that same little road. I can already feel it. And use arrow syntax to add in an empty callback. Is this not empty? Okay, maybe they don't want the space. I hate this. Okay, so empty callback. Do they not want my song L? No, I think my song L is in the perimeter. I mean, I think that's the perimeter. Tell me what the numbers are. Suppose you have an array of numbers. No, tell me what the perimeter is. Okay, they're not gonna tell me. So playlist song elements dot for each. I thought this was the perimeter. And then they want this add in an empty callback function. Do they want a space? I just did this the other day. Do they want quotes? I literally just did this the other day. Okay, they want nothing. They want nothing. Now I gotta think. Let me open up the console. Maybe the console has a little bit more. Can this please? The console is telling me something about this. Const render songs equals array. They're saying something about, wait, hold on. Cause what the hell are they talking about? Your for each should have empty brackets. No, tell me what you were talking about. Empty brackets. Oh, I just remembered. Oh my goodness, this is what got me last time. Yes. Oh my goodness, I just remembered too because like last time I was like, why isn't it working? And then I had to add the freaking, and you know, I don't know why it doesn't click to me because when you look at this, like it looks crazy because you have just like a third one. Or, so it's like, okay, why is there 3 of them? And then I just looked up here for a second and I was like, yo, I just remembered that I did this last time. Why do I keep forgetting that last bracket? That's insane. I forget that last bracket too damn much. Too damn much. So within the callback function, use the remove attribute method to remove the ARIA current attribute. This will remove the attributes for each song. Use the remove attribute. Okay, we got this. So I'm assuming, you know, there's nothing to really put it on. But they're not telling me what variable to do it for. I'm assuming it goes by itself. So we're removing the attribute ARIA current. And then if they do want me to do a variable, they should tell me. Oh, okay, on song L. I was gonna say, because like they're not even perfection. So remove attribute method, and then this removes the attribute for each songs of the array. Okay, so I gotta definitely write down that method because that's currently what they're trying to teach me. They're trying to teach me like string and array methods while making me do all of this. So I gotta make sure I take my notes when I'm noticing I run into something that looks a little bit different, like remove attributes. But I feel like it kind of speaks for itself that it's gonna remove the attribute of whatever you put in there. But attribute in the sense of like what? CSS, HTML, or just anything, right? Like I'm lost about that. So maybe I'll put a question mark for exactly what you could throw in there. It says if you're even using one perimeter in a callback function, you don't even need to close the perimeter in that. Oh, okay. Okay. Bro, syntax is the bane of any programming. Will break code in a heartbeat. No, big facts, man. It's insane. Now you need to create, or you need to add an attribute back. Oh, so they have a set attribute. I mean, I've honestly figured when they just said that. But, so let's go. So we're going for the if. Let's just dive into this. So with the condition, song to highlight. Paste that. Use set attribute on song to highlight. Oh, wait. So this, is it the condition or not? Okay, I'm assuming it's the condition. Then we do set attribute. Close that. And our new attribute is going to be... Oh, I was gonna say, I'm like, why did we take the attribute out and then just put it back? But we're actually removing it from the song L, and then we're giving it to the song to highlight. But why is it saying and true? There's a couple ways we could do this. Either you put it in the same thing, which didn't go through, or you do a comma, but then that's even more weirder. So what, I just do a comma and then true? Oh. I mean, there's only a couple ways you could do it, you know, because with JavaScript, sometimes it's the comma, and sometimes you can go next to each other, or not even JavaScript, just coding. So inside the play song function, call the highlight song function. I got this. Don't tell me twice to do something I already know. After that, play around with the control buttons to see how highlight current song function works. I don't think I want to play. I don't want to play around. Alright, fine. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, wait, stop playing. I don't know if I can get copyrighted. Okay, that's enough. One more time. Are these different songs? Oh, you know what? That was very rude. I thought they were the same song. It says these effing methods are in hundreds. Hard to recall them in real time. No, big fact. I mean, the only stuff with these methods though is that most of them, I feel like, kind of say what they're doing. So for instance, like the set attribute, remove attribute. So it's like if you're sitting there and you're like, damn, how do I remove this attribute? It's like, hopefully it would click, like maybe dot attribute. Hopefully, how do I add this element? Maybe, wait, actually, is it just dot add element? Because I don't want to embarrass myself. Is it dot add element or is it dot get element? I think it's add. So use const and then set player display. And then they want me, oh, the arrow function thing. So I guess they want me to do this. Someone said I don't need to do, if there's no perimeter, I basically wouldn't need to do this. But I feel like it wouldn't pass through. I mean, it probably would. Because, you know, but I feel like just because of the fact they probably are going to make me write one. Or maybe not, actually. Maybe it would have passed through. Anyway, inside the references, access the player song title and player song artist. It says you can check out various projects to practice HTML, CSS, and JS in real projects on GitHub. Ooh, that's what's up, man. I got GitHub, so I could definitely go check that out. Definitely hit that subscribe button, y'all. If y'all can get me at least 2 subs so I can hit 1,280, that would be pretty sick. So access player song title and player song artist. Elements with the getElementById method and assign them to variables like playing song and song artist respectively. Access these. Oh, okay. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, so I got this. My bad. I was like, what are they talking about? These hashtags here. So play song, and then we got to do the document dot get element, but we got to make sure it matches. Playing song and then song artist. Okay, so that's very simple. Document. Oops. Document. Damn, can I spell document? Wait, what the hell? I'm not even gonna lie. Why am I blanking dummy hard on how to spell document? Okay, there we go. I'm like, yo. Get element. My spelling skills are just not up to par anymore. Alright, let's do hashtag. I mean, what is the hashtag? I don't think you need to do it. I don't think you need to do it. I think you just put it in. Oh wait, no, you do put the hashtag. I'm thinking of if you have a CSS class. I think when it's a CSS class, you don't need the hashtag. And then we gotta switch this to artiste. Oops, artiste. And then we gotta switch this one to player song. Oh wait, no, not that. Switch this to, yes, song artiste. Song artist, and then that should be good. Okay, I messed up. I fumbled the bag. You should use document get element by ID to get the player song title element. So was I right about the no hashtag? Okay, no, I wasn't. Let me see. Maybe I'm typing it wrong. Is it supposed to be uppercase? Player song title. You should use the document dot get element by ID. Did I spell ID wrong? To get the hashtag player song title. Maybe, does it? No, I think it does need quotes. Document dot, let me see. Maybe I'm writing this funny. Oops. What the heck? Song artist, document get element by ID. Player song artist? Is it my quotes? I feel like you definitely need some quotes. What the hell? Hashtag player song artist. Oh, wait, no, hold on. What I did was right. So I removed this. Okay, it's the hashtag. I should have known. I said it earlier and I was like, oh, that's with CSS. Nope, it was the opposite way around. It was the hashtag. Yikes. Hello, where are you from? What is up, Mark? I am from the USA. It says, can you name the JS course? This is from Free Code Camp, and this is the JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures course. And right now I'm going through learning basic strings and array methods by building a music player. So yes, you don't need the hashtag NID. No, yes, I should have known. I said it out loud and then I switched it. I was like, oh no, that's CSS. No, I was right. It was the ID. Hey, we're at 1,279. Thank you to that new sub. If y'all can definitely sub it up. We are on the road to 1,300. Be pretty cool if we can end up hitting that in this live stream, which, hey, it might happen, it might not. We don't know. But definitely hit that subscribe button. Come join me on this journey. I've been documenting my journey for 4 months now. Literally have a video from day 0 all the way up to now. I live stream every single day, post content every other day. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm giving y'all what most people would probably want, is to follow along somebody who's documented their journey from day 0 to when they eventually make it. So definitely hit that sub button. So access the user data current song title and this artist properties and assign them to, okay. So I don't know what they want me to do, let or const. I'm not sure. Normally we've been doing const here, but then it's like they didn't say it. So now I'm like a little bit scared to do it. So we got to do user data current song title, and then we got to do the user data current song artist afterwards. But the best thing to do as a dev is to copy and paste and just change up a little bit of the things that are going to pop up. So we got artiste, and then we got to switch this to artiste. Oh, I put an uppercase. Oopsies. Okay. Oh my goodness. You should assign the title of the current song to current song title. You should assign the title of the current song to current song title. Wait, hold on. What? Current title. Current blah blah blah. We got user.date. How is this? Is it because I didn't do const? Oh yeah, it says at the end. I'm like, it's because I didn't do const. It has to be. I'm literally doing it. Alright, text content sets the text of a node and allows you to set or retrieve the text content of an HTML element. So you can use a operator to conditionally set the text content value. And this operator, because I swear on everything, they never showed me this operator before, but I had to use it the other day. This operator, I think, is just the ... Ternary operator, which is just the one dot at the top, one dot at the bottom. Or is the question mark? Oh damn, I don't know which one. Probably both. No. So you can use this operator to conditionally set the text. Here's here. So use a ternary operator to check if current title evaluates to a truthy value. If it does, set blah 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 to current, otherwise empty string. Alright, we got this. Let's go slow to check. Wait, hold on. Current title evaluates to truthy. I think, so we're doing const element. And this one says const example. Use a ternary operator to check current title evaluates to truthy. I think my only thing is like, what the hell am I writing here? Check if current artist is truthy. So set song artist. Then I'm assuming I'm just going current title. But do I do const? Do I do const current title or do I just do current title? I mean, I think that's what they want me to do because like I'm confused what this part would be. Let me do const, but I just feel like I wouldn't need to because we just did it up there. But then it says evaluates to a truthy, so if it does set playing song text content to current title. Use the ternary operator to check if current title evaluates to truthy. I don't even know, so I'm assuming, am I going current title equals true? Am I doing like if current title equals true basically? But I don't know if they want me to do 3. Question mark. I probably am completely miswriting this, but at least my logic is shining. So if so, set song artist to current artist. That's something that set it? Like what the hell do you mean set it? Song artist dot text content to current artist. I don't know if, for one, if they want me to even put this in a quote. But then for 2, when you're saying set it, you mean like this, right? And then you're supposed to do something like this, and then they're saying empty strings. I feel like I definitely got that part wrong. Change the text content to playing song. Oh wait, I think I copied the wrong one. So text content to playing song. Oops, yep, I copied the wrong one. This is supposed to be current title. I feel like I'm definitely not doing this part right. And by the way, if I'm not looking at the chat, it's probably because I feel like you guys probably gave me the answer. So just give me a second as I try to figure out what I'm doing. You should use the turn operator to set text content property of playing song to current title. To set the text content property of playing song to current title or empty. So the only thing I can think of is I'm probably writing this part wrong. Maybe it doesn't need const. Maybe it does need const. So I've done this part before, but I feel like where I'm messing up. Oh wait, let me check the console. So playing song here. Identifier current title has already been declared. Okay. So then if I get rid of this, you should use the turning operator to set text content property of playing song to current title. Or that. You should change the text content property to the song artist. You should use, this is about the song artist. But this one specifically, set the text content property of playing song to the current title. The only thing I could think of is maybe I'm writing that part backward. Wait, no. I think that might be fine. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to write the second one and come back. So then it says, then below that, use ternary operator to check if current artist is truthy. But that's my thing. It's like, what is this part supposed to be? Like, am I supposed to do current artist? I feel like that's where I'm losing myself. So current artist equals, because like it would be it's stupid to be like, yeah, current artist equals true. Or maybe that's just what that is. So check if current, I think I'll figure it out when I see exactly where I'm going wrong. So current artist equals true, question mark. And then do song artist here. And then equals current artist, and then an empty set of strings as well. Oops. So you should use the turning prop operator to set the text content property of playing song. So that's currently where I'm going wrong. There's something here. I feel like it could either be my condition. Check if it's truthy. Because my condition is equaling true. Unless it's because, is it because I'm doing 2? No. Okay, so then that's fine. So do 3. But do they want me to do 3 here? Okay, no, that's not the case. Equals. Let me see if I can see the console. It says refuse to execute because the following content security policy. Oh. Whatever, gang. I thought they were gonna help me. Current artist. I just have a feeling this part is where I'm going wrong. So I'm gonna end up looking at the text because at your chat because I feel like I'm probably not gonna get it. Probably not gonna get it on my own. I wanted to try, but it's okay. Let me go see. So they're saying const current artist. So I do have to put the const. So then why did they make me feel like I didn't have to? So you did current artist equals current artist. Oh, get rid of the true. That makes sense. That makes sense. Oh, never mind. That still didn't work. Huh. Evening, y'all. Hey, what's up, McDonald? Well, I finished the services page on my barbershop website. So turn is just one line. When accessing it, doesn't make any difference. Const variable equals condition. Truthy will be assigned to a variable if condition is true, either otherwise false. So I'm truthy, or I'm false. Yeah, okay, I get that part. But I think where I'm getting lost is probably the way to write this. So when I'm being told, yeah, I don't have the answer 7 pounds. So seven, if you want to answer a seven, definitely you can answer it. Already showing attributes of being a front end developer. Thank you so much, McDonald. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Um, so I'm trying to see when accessing it doesn't make a difference. If you, oh, okay, so it's Turney. It's just one line version of if else. So I'm doing condition. Oh, wait, no, because it's saying evaluates to truthy. So basically, am I supposed to put current title here then? So if it's true, wait, no, because it's saying if it is true, you're putting playing song to this, otherwise this. Could it be my space? No. Maybe it's supposed to be in quotes? But I would hope not, because that's weird. Okay, yeah, that's not it. I just had to make sure. Just had to check. So definitely, if y'all can help, that would be great. That would be great. And definitely, too, if you're new here, man, hit that subscribe button. Oh, 1,281. Thank you so much. That is super dope. We're getting closer. Has ever tried reverse engineering? No, I have not. I think what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably just going to go to the get help, because I don't know if maybe others are probably struggling or not, but let me see. So they did current title equals this. I will check. It says set playing song to current title. Oh, so maybe I don't need the const? But then it's kind of like, let me see. Maybe I don't need the const. Yeah, because nobody's putting the const. The code looks fine. Try removing the conditions bracket. Oh, so maybe that's where I'm going wrong. Wait, but no, they also wrote it backwards. Well, not backwards, but they wrote it the way. Oh. Why would they write it this way? That just irked my soul. Hold on, because now I need to see exactly what the hell I'm erasing. I just realized. Why the hell would they write it this way? So they basically want me to put it here. And then, well, of course, delete that. Basically want me to put it here and then do the same thing over here. You gotta be kidding me. And I knew that's where I was going wrong too. I kept saying, I'm like, I know it's because I'm typing something wrong up here. So let me go. Now I kind of want to see. So set song artist, text artist to current artist. Otherwise set it to an empty string. Wow then. Wow then, wow then, wow then. You know, honestly, oh wait, no, man. I was like, I'm surprised this went through, but no, that's literally what it should have been. Oh my goodness, what? I'm still trying to like look at it and see if I would understand that. I mean, in a way, but it's like the way that they wrote this part is like I wasn't checking if it was true. Like I see it now because it's saying set play song text content to the current title, otherwise empty string. Like now I could see it so much better. But I think I was so focused on the first line when it's saying current title evaluates the truthy. I thought they wanted me to put that as the condition, even though it does. I mean, I guess then, but I don't know. I just, and now I could see why it would be written like that. But I was not seeing that at first. Oh my goodness. I was definitely not seeing it that at first. I mean, as first. And what's even worse is like we're all getting it wrong. Like it was like Nikhil, who else was also trying to help? I don't know. We were all just doing it wrong, but it was basically just flip it. Oh my gosh, bro. But I literally said that. I was like, I know where I'm going wrong is that I have a feeling because we already declared artist song. I'm like song artist, and we already declared the music title. So I'm like, why am I declaring it again? Also, too, it was the example. But I literally kept saying that. I'm like, this is where I'm going wrong. But then also, too, I also wrote what the name should have been in the wrong spot. But if I could have, I should have got that. I should have got that. I'm pissed. I am pissed. 1,282. Thank y'all so much, man. Keep hitting that sub button. That is amazing. Yeah, I hate a ternary operator. Lol. I def couldn't help. You know what's crazy? It's like, I feel like now that I finally did it, I still, actually, you know what? You're right. I still don't get it. Still don't get it, but it's okay. Let's keep this pushing. We're at step 71. We didn't really get to step 90, but I was hoping we could have, but maybe that'll be next goal. So to ensure the player's display updates whenever a new song begins, call the play song function within this function. I mean call the set player display, I meant. If I can spell display. Function within the play song function. Okay, we got that part. Hey guys. Hey, what's up, Muhammad? Says, try moving the variable. Oh. I think my stream might be really behind for you, Siri, because they're responding to things that happened like dummy long ago. But it says, hey guys, hope you are doing well. Thank you. I am doing quite well, Muhammad. I'm doing quite well. By the way, if anyone wants to join up on my Discord is in the description. If you guys want to join and continue the chat when the stream is over, you can definitely go join that. To make the application more accessible, it is important that the play button describes the current song or the first song in the playlist. So start by creating an empty arrow function. Yes, I love when I get me some easy stuff. Let's go. Let's go. I want to get myself some easy stuff here. Copy, paste it. What else? Oh yeah, this, and then we go. Oh wait, no. Come back. Equals, and then we go. Top hat. I don't know why I always call that a top hat, but it's literally an arrow. But for some reason, I always think of it as like a hat. Why? Help. I don't know. So to do that, create a song constant. We got this. Song equals. And use the OR operator to set the current song of the user data or the first song. So I'm assuming I'm taking the question mark part though. So, and then it's going to be dot current song or songs. I think that it should be current songs. I mean song. Or this. And then the sentencing array, we might have to write an array with 0. But if not, I was wrong. Okay, we got that. I'm goated. It says, what are we making? We are making, oh, my bad. I'm like literally blocking it. We are making this music player right here. We are currently being able to play these songs and you can hear it a little bit. And there ends up being highlights for whatever you click. Pretty cool. And I might never do this again. But it's pretty damn sick. Oh, you know what? I didn't even notice, but when you click the song, it starts up here. That's pretty dope. I didn't even know that. I'm doing good things. I want to join, but I can't interact because I work a lot, so no time. No, yeah, honestly, I'm not going to lie. I barely even interact in there. The most I do is when someone new comes in, I just say, hi, what's up? I might respond to, certain things that are directed to me. But also, too, like, for me, having a big group chat is so hard. Like, if you want to message me directly, then you could do that. But, like, a big group chat is so difficult for me to, like, follow along, aid in. I'm like, I don't know how people can do this. I can barely keep up with the stream and listen to it. That's true. But hey, at least when you do have free time, you do end up coming. That's amazing. Thank you so much, dude. Says, I'm so confused as to why they teach you regex before ternary and other logical operators. No, I'm not gonna lie. I think they definitely taught me that before. I think I just fumbled the bag. I'm not gonna lie. They definitely taught me that before. I just fumbled. So does that play music too? Yes, it does. If I play, I think I have the screen volume down. So I don't think y'all can hear it, but when I click it, it's already playing music. So set the play button function the set play button function text will set the area label attribute to the current song or the first song in the playlist, and if the playlist is empty, it sets the area label to play. So use the set attribute method on the play button element. I don't think I have to do a const, because I think it was already declared. So set attribute. I spelled that right. I don't know, it looked like too many T's to me, but okay, fine. So, and it's only two. For some reason, I don't know if it's my glasses, bro, but I saw like three. Method on the play button element to set this. Nice. We got this. We got this. Set it. Using no, not again. Not again. Set the attribute play, $song, or play if song does. Just stop. If song (title) is not available. Don't forget you need string interpolation here, so you need to use backticks. Bro, I'm gonna scream. I'm not even playing. I'm just gonna scream. Because am I doing this to play button? Like what am I doing this to? Like is it being done to this? Set the attribute value. Wait, what the fuck? What are we talking about? Because I thought set the attribute value to play to play song title or play if song title is not available. I want to at least try this. What? Set the attribute value. The fuck are you talking about? When we're doing a tyranny, you have a condition, you have a false and a true, and then you have the element, basically. What do you mean set the attribute value or play if song title is no longer available? I'm either overthinking this because it's saying use tyranny or whatever the fuck, ternary. Bruh. Where's my ternary value? Where's my other one? I need this. Damn, where the hell is my other one? Okay, whatever. I guess we'll just write our damn selves. Like, why do they have us going all the way up and down? Oh, it's up here. It's literally right here. Oh no, this isn't my ternary value. Never mind. Where the hell did it go? I can't find it. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. Whatever. We'll figure this out. So you set the attribute value to play song. And then it's saying or. Am I writing this in the same thing? I'm trying so hard to comprehend what they are possibly saying. Use tyranny. Hold on. Use the set attribute method on the play button element to set attribute name aria. Do I have a they didn't give me an example? We'll set aria label attribute to current song or to the first song in the playlist. And if the playlist is empty, it sets aria label to play. Using ternary, set the attribute value to play song title or play if song title is not available. I don't think I'm gonna get it. I'm lost right here. This part right here. Actually, better yet, lost on the whole fucking thing. I get they want me to use backticks because we're using this. But I'm still lost on the fact am I writing it in here on a new line? I'm not gonna get that. I'm just not gonna get that. It says they're basically inline if statements. They are really important. It's up. You missed it. Either way, I'm just not gonna get that. In all honesty, I'm not even gonna try it. Like that's how bad that is. I'm just so lost. Because with it saying or, the first thing I'm thinking of is like I'm just gonna write out what the hell I'm seeing. I'm seeing something like this. I'm seeing something like this. It's something like this. Like either I'm like completely overthinking this, but I'm saying play song or play. And then if song title is not available. So what? I don't even know. Would that equal fucking empty? And then apparently some backticks. That's all I'm seeing. I'm not getting this whatsoever. My brain is just not, it's not comprehending this. I still want to see if I can find it, but I don't have the patience. I don't have the patience today to look for it. All right, give me some help. So set attribute method, you should have song title question mark this. I don't, okay. So it would be song title question mark. Is it gonna go through? You should have song dot title question mark play song title dot play. So then the only thing I can think of is it's probably supposed to be play button. What the hell is my element supposed to be? Your set attribute method. Oh. This is supposed to be inside of my set attribute. Yeah, I wasn't about to get this. I don't even understand. Or, because the or too, that was just such a bad spot to place that. I still honestly don't get how they want me to place this in there. Hold on, because now this is something else. Unless they want me to get rid of this completely. But then they said something about backticks. So, okay, so the first value should be that. Is it like a comma? Maybe it's like a comma or something? I'm lost. I'm lost. Either it's a comma or maybe I put it in here. Like, I don't know. That's confusing as hell. So how am I supposed to have two of them in here? Maybe I was right the first time around doing this. Maybe I go aria label. Should have song title. Let me copy and paste. Play. What the hell? Song title play is the second argument. Paste. Backtick. Oh, they only wanted the backtick on that part. So then what? Am I supposed to now close this? No. Okay, so maybe I keep this closed. And then give this what? Its own fucking thing? No. Honestly, I'm not fucking doing this. I have no patience today. I'm not doing that. I just refuse. Someone, like, where is this at? Value to play song or play the case matters. Play the case matters. Okay. Copy and paste this whole thing. I don't even want to talk about this question no more. This is just utterly insane. So play that. Oh, you have to kid me. I just copied the. Hold on. So play this. Go aria label, song title, and where they messed up was that they didn't uppercase the play. I'm running. I don't even want, like, well, insane. Insane. I just wasn't about to get that. So it was separated by a comma. And what kept making me think I needed to put a quote over here? I'm not even sure. I just refused. I refused to even think no more, man. That's something else. I mean, at least I know I have to look into, what the hell is it called? I would have to look into, yo, what is it called? I would have to look into, bruh, why am I blinking? I would have to look into, oh, tyranny. Okay, step 74. So I'm going tyranny, operator, question mark, look more into. Because that was hell. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm done for today. That's how bad that was. But no matter what, I had to honestly get off the stream at this time. I was supposed to get off earlier, but I just wanted to solve that. But man, that was something else, man. That was something else. If you guys have any questions, I'm gonna be hopping off at like 1:15. You said don't worry, ternaries are really easy. Not to me. That ain't shit. I could literally do everything else. That thing right there is something else, brother. Like, come on. Think of them as if statements. No, I know, but it's like, I don't know. That was just something else. I think it was the mixture of so many different things because not only did they want me to put something else in there, then I had to put a comma. They wanted me to put backtick somewhere because we had the thing in there. It's like, it was just a mix of everything that was BS. Like, come on. Straight up hell, bro. Straight up hell. It says once you come back, you'll get it. No, I mean, honestly, I hope so. But man, because the thing is like, I've used tyranny or ternaries, whatever the hell. I used them before, but I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what the hell that was. Like that just was bull. I don't know if it was the way they were writing it, but my brain, because like I said, when they said or, I'm thinking literally like the or operator, and that wasn't what they wanted us to write. So it was like, why? Like they have to be careful with their words because there's certain things that we write based on what you're saying. So if you say or this, you're gonna make me think I'm using the or operator. Like I don't know. That I'm like pissed. So well, that's how coding is for me. It gets me overwhelmed. No big facts, bro. I'm pissed. Like that was bad because like in my head it's like write that better. Like that should have been written so much better. Like come on. You can't use the or you can't say or thinking I'm not going to think of the or operator. Like I understand that I'm writing a ternary and I know what the operators are to write it. But then on top of that too, it's like you're not letting me know if it needs to be inside until after I got it wrong. So it's like, I don't know. The way that they wrote that, that was just hell. That was straight up hell. But alright, y'all, I am gonna end up hopping off of this live here. I will currently though, if you are new here, I stream every single day at 12 p.m. EST, and on top of that, I post YouTube videos every other day, so definitely go and tune in. I have a video coming out tomorrow. I was gonna do it today, but then I literally just forgot that I had something to do right before I have to go to work, and that just upset me because man, I had so many plans within this like 1 hour that I have, but I have something that I actually have to do, or these couple hours I have before work, but I have a whole bunch of things I gotta do that just damn. Not only did I just stress out from a question, I hate ending my day on a loss, but on top of that, I can't even be free. Oh, that sucks. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna end the stream right here. Hope y'all enjoyed. See y'all later. Deuces.